FluoRender tutorials. Making measurements. You can use the mouse cursor as a simple tool for measuring coordinates. Click the Information button in the Render View's top toolbar. When you move the mouse cursor within the data region, it shows the coordinates of the point. More measurement tools can be found in the Measurement window. Use the Locator tool to measure the location of a single 3D point. There are 3 options for different methods of calculating 3D depth when you click in the Render View to create a locator. The View Plane option always sets the depth at a center plane perpendicular to the viewing direction. Let's enable rotation angle locking and rotate the view to observe the location of the locator. The locator is placed at the center along the z-axis. The second option, Maximum Intensity, sets the depth at a voxel where the signal intensity is the highest. Let's rotate the view again. The locator is placed in the middle, but different from the first one. The third option, Accumulated Intensity, sets the depth at a place where voxels behind it are occluded from the viewer. It usually finds the surface of a structure. Click Delete All to delete all locators. The Probe tool creates a line segment going through the entire data along the viewing direction. Let's create a probe from the side view of the data. The length of the probe tells us the width of the data. The creation of measurement tools is sensitive to the currently selected channel in the Workspace panel. Let's select the green channel and use the protractor tool to measure the angle formed by 3 cells. Click 3 times to create the protractor. The angle can be read from the list of measurement tools. Also notice that the protractor is created in 3D based on the underlying data of the selected channel. The 2-point ruler tool measures the distance between 2 points. Click twice in the Render View to create the ruler tool. You can also create as many measurement tools as you want. The Multiple Point Ruler tool creates a length measurement consisting of connected line segments. Click in the Render View for as many times as necessary and end the sequence with a right-click. All length information can be read from the list of measurement tools. You can enable the Edit tool to modify the position of each point. Notice that the options for placing ruler points also apply to the Edit tool. Delete all the tools. We can use the Locator tool to measure volume as well. Enable the locator and hold down the Shift key on keyboard to also enable the Paintbrush tool. Paint with the Combine tool to create a selection mask on the data. The size of the selection in terms of number of voxels is shown in the list of measurement tools. In the list, you can rename a selected measurement tool. You can also choose a different color for the tool. We can combine the paintbrush with the probe tool as well. Select the red channel from the Workspace panel. Rotate to the side view, enable the probe tool, hold down the Shift key, and click in the Render View. It creates a cylindrical selection of the data. We can calculate an intensity profile within the selected region. Click the Profile button to calculate the intensity profile. Click Export to save the intensity information in a text file. We can open the text file with Excel. Once the text file is loaded into Excel, we can draw the intensity curve with Excel.